Garlic, the simple food we often use in cooking, has an amazing secret inside its strong-smelling layers. This basic item found in kitchens all around the world is a big deal in the world of cooking, adding a special smell and taste to our food. But it's not just good for cooking. Garlic has been used since old times as a natural medicine, providing a powerful mix of health benefits. However, there's something you might be wondering. Are you getting all the benefits from this amazing food, or are you making the same mistake as many others? The mistake is simple, but it can greatly cut down the good things you get from garlic. You might be thinking, what could this ordinary mistake be? It's all about being in a hurry. Most of the time we're fast to smash or cut garlic and throw it right into the pan. But here's the thing, this rushed routine lowers the amount of allicin. Allicin, this may be the first time you're hearing this word, but believe us, it's important. It's a thing that's behind many of garlic's health benefits. Allicin is formed when garlic is smashed or cut, but it needs some time to fully grow. By giving it this much-needed rest, we're basically taking away from ourselves the full health benefits that garlic can give. So, what's the right way to get garlic ready to make sure you're not missing out on its full power? Stay with us as we reveal the secrets to using the full strength of garlic in the next part. The key is in being patient and planning a bit. You might be thinking, how do we get the most out of this small bulb? Well, it's surprisingly easy. The first step to get garlic ready is to either smash or cut it. When you break the garlic down, it starts a natural process that makes allicin, which gives garlic its famous health boosts. But here's the important part. After you've smashed or cut your garlic, don't be quick to throw it into the pan or onto your bread. Instead, let it sit. Let it rest. Let the magic happen. Leave it alone for at least 10 minutes. This waiting time is really important. It gives the allicin enough time to fully form, which makes the health benefits of the garlic even better. In our fast world where we want things right away, waiting 10 minutes might feel like forever. But keep in mind, good things come to those who wait. And in this case, the prize is the full strength of garlic, ready to make your health better and your food tastier. So the next you need to use garlic in a recipe. Remember this trick. Smash or cut your garlic and then leave it alone. Use those 10 minutes to get the rest of your ingredients ready, set the table, or just enjoy the excitement of the tasty meal that's coming. This method might seem small, but it's these little things that often make the biggest difference. By taking the time to get your garlic ready the right way, you're not just making your food taste better, you're also getting the most out of this amazing bulb, letting it do its thing for your health. So let's use this knowledge. Let's get the most out of garlic, not just for the tasty flavor it gives, but also for the lots of health benefits it has. This easy step will get the most out of garlic. So you're wondering about the good things garlic can do for you? Let's find out. Garlic, a common item in our kitchens, is great for your health. First of all, it works as a natural medicine. Garlic has something called allicin, which comes out when you crush or cut a garlic clove. This allicin can kill bacteria, making garlic a good way to fight off infections. Next, garlic is great for your heart. It can lower your blood pressure and lower the amount of bad fats in your blood, which can help keep your heart healthy. It's like a heart coach without the hard work. What's more, some science shows that garlic might help fight against cancer. That's right. Some studies say that the stuff in garlic could lower the chance of some cancers, like stomach and colon cancers. It's like a small fighter, taking on unseen enemies inside us. But there's more. Garlic also helps clean your body from the inside. It can get rid of the bad stuff inside you, which is good news for your liver. Think of it as a mini cleaning service right in your kitchen. And if you want a boost for your body's defense against colds and flu, garlic can help. It can make your body's defense against germs stronger. It's like having your own guard, always ready to keep those annoying germs away. Lastly, garlic can also make us feel more energetic. In olden times, people used it to make workers feel less tired and work better. It's like a friend who's always there to cheer you on. So there you go. Garlic, this simple ingredient, has loads of health benefits. It kills bacteria, looks after your heart, fights cancer, cleans your body from the inside, makes your body's defense stronger, and even helps you feel more active. Garlic is a superfood as long as you prepare it right. We've traveled all around the world of garlic, finding out its secrets and big health benefits. We found out that garlic isn't just a basic cooking ingredient. It's packed full of health benefits, full of healing properties ready to be used. We've seen that a lot of people make the mistake of cooking garlic right after they crush or chop it. But the real magic happens when we let it sit. If you leave the garlic alone for about 10 to 15 minutes after crushing or chopping, you start the health-boosting stuff inside it. This easy step that people often forget is what you need to get the most out of garlic. We've also looked at the many health benefits of this simple plant, from making our immune system stronger, helping with digestion, to even helping keep our hearts healthy. It's clear that there's more to garlic than what we see. It's an ingredient with a big effect. But don't forget, to get the most benefits, how you prepare it is crush or chop, then let it sit. It's that easy. A small change in your cooking routine can have big benefits. Your body will you for it. As we finish our look at garlic, we hope you've learned as much as we did. Remember, to get the most out of garlic, crush or chop, then let it sit. Your health will be better for it. Tell us what you think about this, and if you liked the video, like it and subscribe for more health tips.